Alright, well today we're going to work on putting some cross bracings in the floor and hopefully getting closer to getting our subfloor put in. So we'll go ahead and get started on that. On the edges though, I'm going to have to do something different because of the way the floor joists are ran. So I'll kind of give you an idea of what I'm going to be doing here. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing, as you can tell right here, underneath here, there's a lip right there. There's nothing here for the subfloor to sit on and fasten to. And because that floor joist is tucked up underneath there, what I'm going to do is I'm going to run some cross braces, probably about every 2 feet down the side of this, and then put some 2x4s or 2x6s flat up against the bottom of this here, so I have something to nail my subfloor to. So that's what I'm going to be working on today, and hopefully I can get both sides done because I'm going to have to do both sides of it. And we'll see how far we get today. Alright, so what I got here is some lumber that I got off of a load of culverts I had to haul to a job site at work. And they're 7-foot 2x6s, and they're in pretty good shape. You just got to knock the ends off. Those are put on so the culverts didn't roll around. But I didn't see the point in throwing them away when I can use them for cross braces. So that's what I'm going to do, is I'm going to knock the ends off. I got some more, I think about 6 more of them back in the back that I'm going to prep and get ready to cut up. And that's what I'm going to use for my cross braces down through here to save a little bit of money. And it beats hauling it off to the dump. So we'll get started on that. So what I need to do now, I need to mark out 2-foot centers, starting from this wall. I'm going to need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cross braces. You'll need about 15 inches. we got this side all done. Got all them cross braces in. Now we're gonna go over and we're gonna get this side done. Then we're gonna put some cross braces here in the middle, and then double up a couple of more of these floor joists, just to make sure it's stout enough for the tile that we're gonna be putting in it. So didn't get as much done as I wanted to, but it's kind of late in the day. It's the hottest part of the day, so it's probably about 105 degrees inside this trailer right now. So I'm going to call it quits for the day. So, thanks for joining us.